Hey, I am your chef, Catty, and today I shall be taking you on a baking class. How to bake pastries, step by step. 1. Gather ingredients. You'll need 2.5 cups, 300 grams all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 cup, 225 grams cold unsalted butter cut into cubes, 3/4 cup, 180 milliliters cold water, 1 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar, optional, keeps dough tender, 1 egg for egg wash, sugar or fillings, jam, chocolate, fruit, etc., depending on your pastry type. 2. Prepare the dough, détrempe. In a large bowl, mix flour and salt. Add half of the cold butter cubes and use a pastry cutter or fingers to rub it into the flour until crumbly. Add the cold water and lemon juice gradually. Mix until a rough dough forms. Don't overwork. Shape into a rectangle, wrap in plastic wrap, and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. 3. Prepare the butter block. Place the remaining butter between 2 sheets of parchment paper.
Mixtures. Thank you for watching.